Anna, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it does. I like the atmosphere here.
Do you want to sit near the window?
Yes, I love window seats.
Great, let's sit here.
The place smells amazing.
I think they are cooking fresh food.
I'm already feeling hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat much today.
Same here.
Look, the waiter is bringing the menus.
Perfect. I want to see what they have.
I hope they have pasta.
I'm thinking about ordering chicken.
The menu looks very interesting.
Yes, there are many choices.
What kind of food do you like the most?
I really enjoy Italian food.
Then this is the perfect place for you.
I think we chose a good restaurant.
Have you decided what to order?
Not yet. There are so many options.
I see pizza, pasta, salads, and soup.
Everything looks delicious.
I might order spaghetti.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I'm thinking about grilled chicken.
That's a healthy choice.
I try to eat healthy when I can.
Do you want an appetizer?
Yes, maybe a small salad.
Good idea.
What about a drink?
I'll probably order lemonade.
I think I'll get orange juice.
The waiter will come soon.
Yes, we should be ready.
The waiter is coming to our table now.
Yes, I think we are ready to order.
Good evening. I would like to start with the spaghetti.
And I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Can we also order a fresh garden salad?
Yes, one salad for both of us would be perfect.
For my drink, I would like lemonade.
And I would like a glass of orange juice.
The menu here has many interesting choices.
Yes, it was difficult to decide.
I almost ordered the pizza.
I was thinking about the pasta.
Maybe we can try different dishes next time.
That's a great idea.
I enjoy trying new food.
Me too, especially in new restaurants.
Thank you for taking our order.
We are looking forward to the meal.
Restaurants are always busy during dinner time.
Yes, many people like to eat out in the evening.
I like the atmosphere in this place.
The lighting and music are very relaxing.
Waiting for food always makes me more hungry.
That's true. The smell of the food makes it worse.
I think they're cooking our food now.
I can smell something delicious from the kitchen.
Look, our drinks are arriving.
Perfect timing. I was feeling thirsty.
This lemonade tastes very refreshing.
My orange juice is sweet and fresh.
Do you eat at restaurants often?
Sometimes, but I usually cook at home.
Cooking at home can be healthier.
Yes, and it can also save money.
Still, eating at a restaurant is a nice experience.
I agree. It's a great way to relax.
Look, the waiter is bringing our food.
Finally, I was getting very hungry.
My spaghetti looks amazing.
My grilled chicken smells wonderful.
The salad looks fresh and colorful.
Yes, I see tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumbers.
Everything looks very well prepared.
The presentation is beautiful.
Let's taste the food.
Yes, I can't wait.
Wow, this pasta is delicious.
My chicken is very tender and juicy.
I'm really glad we chose this restaurant.
Me too. The food is excellent.
Good food always makes me happy.
Food can definitely improve your mood.
This pasta has a great flavor.
My chicken is seasoned perfectly.
Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines.
Food is a big part of culture.
That's very true.
When you travel, you can learn a lot from food.
Yes, every country has special dishes.
I would like to try Italian food in Italy one day.
That would be an amazing experience.
Maybe we should travel there together someday.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Until then, we can enjoy this meal.
Absolutely.
Anna, would you like to try my spaghetti? What is your favorite food in general?
I really love pasta and seafood.
Those are great choices.
What about you?
I like burgers, pizza, and grilled food.
Those are very popular dishes.
I also enjoy spicy food.
Spicy food can be exciting.
Food can bring people together.
Yes, sharing meals creates memories.
Some of my best memories are around the dinner table.
Mine too.
Anna, would you like to try my spaghetti? That was a fantastic meal. I really enjoyed everything we ordered tonight.
Yes, I did too. The food was delicious and the atmosphere was very pleasant.
The spaghetti was perfectly cooked. I could taste the fresh ingredients in the sauce.
My grilled chicken was excellent. It was tender, juicy, and full of flavor.
And the salad was very fresh. It was a great way to start the meal.
I agree. The vegetables tasted very natural and crisp.
The service was also excellent. The waiter was very polite and attentive.
Yes, he came to our table at the right moments without disturbing us.
That kind of service really makes a difference in a restaurant.
Absolutely. Good service makes the experience more enjoyable.
I think this restaurant deserves a very good review.
I was thinking the same thing.
Maybe we should write a review online later.
That's a great idea. It will help other people discover this place.
Shall we ask for the bill now?
Yes, I think we are finished eating.
I'll call the waiter. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
While we wait, I want to say that I really enjoyed this dinner.
Me too. It's always nice to share a good meal and a good conversation.
Yes, moments like this are very special.
Here comes the bill. It seems very reasonable for such a good meal.
I agree. The price is fair for the quality of the food.
I'll pay for dinner tonight.
Are you sure? We could split the bill.
No, it's my treat today. Maybe you can pay next time.
That sounds fair. Thank you, David.
I will also leave a tip for the waiter because he did a great job.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Well, are you ready to leave?
Yes, but I'm already thinking about coming back again.
Maybe we should return next week and try another dish from the menu.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Next time, I might try the pizza.
And I might try the seafood pasta.
I'm glad we came here tonight.
Me too. It was a perfect evening.